in studio with us because he just gave his big lecture at the Commonwealth Club in San Francisco. Jeff Jarvis, it's so good to see you.
It is so good to be here. It really is. And I risked jumping the gun.
Craig gets his plug no matter what.
Previously on TWiT. Tech News Weekly.
It's me, Jason Howell, and I start off the show chatting with Kyle Kang from Nothing about the Nothing Phone 2.
I think the goal is when you see a Nothing product, it has a design philosophy and ID that, that you can identify with. And it's been received positively. And the teenage guys and the team here in London have built around design that's been really well responded to.
Hands on Windows.
We're going to take a look at command lines in Windows 11, specifically Command Prompt, and the slightly newer Windows PowerShell.
Club TWiT exclusive.
Today we're doing a Fireside chat, not an AMA, which is slightly different, with the host of This Week in Space, co-host of This Week in Space, Mr. Rod Pyle. Mr. Pyle, how you be, sir?
Good, how are you?
I am unbelievable. I'm so glad you didn't greet me with one of those Star Trek wavy kinds of things, because you do come off as somewhat normal now.
The man who thinks that other men who throw around little bags of air for a living is more important than going into space starts off with insults right up front.
TWiT.
I expected no less. Thank you, my friend.